Rule number 1. No yelling, please.
There's a time and place for everything, but in most situations, writing in all caps is inappropriate. Most readers tend to perceive it as shouting and will have a hard time taking what you say seriously, no matter how intelligent your response is.
Rule number 2. Sarcasm can and will backfire.
Sarcasm has been the source of plenty of misguided arguments online, as it can be incredibly difficult to understand the commenter's intent. What may seem like an obvious joke to you could come across as off-putting or rude to those who don't know you personally.
Rule number 3. Attempt to find your own answer.
For questions in class structure such as policies or due date, you can refer to your syllabus or fact. Attempt to answer your own questions using search engines such as Google or Bing. Relatively simple questions can be answered within a second, which can save everyone's time. If your question remained unanswered, after a bit of effort, you can refer to your instructor.
Rule number 4. Stop grammar time.
Always make an effort to use proper punctuation, spelling, and grammar. On the other hand, it is also important to be reasonable about others' grammar's mistake. Remember, nobody likes grammar police or a scolding classmate because he or she used your instead of your. If your classmate commits mistake, just give him a break.
Rule number 5. Don't get cute with text colors.
While it may be tempting to write all messages in English, whoever is reading it may not appreciate it as much as you. Stick to the basic black text color, and if you need to emphasize a part of your sentence, you may use bold or italicized words. This will help ensure that everyone can easily understand your message without acquiring a headache.
Rule number 6. Brevity rules.
Keep your email messages short and at point. You don't need to share your life story to ask help in a problem. Just remain on the essential information. This will ensure that your question doesn't lose to the noise and saves time for everyone involved.
Rule number 7. Read first.
Remember to always read. If the original post was asking a particular question, there's a great chance that someone had already answered it. This might indicate that you are not paying attention to the conversation.
Rule number 8. Don't overshare.
Personal information is valuable to identity use, so try not to share more than what is necessary. We're not suggesting that your classmates are criminals, but it is a good practice in general to be guarded when it comes to personal information.
Rule number 9. Be kind.
Communicating online is unique, and there might be a tendency of anonymity between the two persons interacting. This will sometimes result in an individual being impolite than in person. Make your comment respectful whether you dislike or disagree stance on a topic.